Hey guys, I wanted to go over a quick tutorial on how to fix the ears on this horse in this image. As you can see, we have one perky perfect ear, and then we have one that's kind of listening behind him for tigers, right? Usually we get this. Sometimes we just don't have enough hands to get these horses to have both their ears forward, and even when we do, we still get this that happens. But sometimes we really love an image and we want to fix it, right? Okay, so let's fix it. So I've created another layer. If you don't know how to do this, please refer back to my other tutorials because I'm trying to just um, evolve with the tutorials and assume that you guys have learned the tools and things that I've taught in the past. So I'm going to come over here to my lasso tool and I click on that. And then I'm going to, oops, sorry, just kidding. I'm going to lasso the good ear, not the bad ear. How about that? Okay, so it is circled and lassoed. I'm going to press Command C on my keyboard. Now I'm going to press Command V. Okay, so what this does is it duplicates the ear. Now I'm going to press Command T. What that does is it's a free transform tool, which makes it so I can manipulate the ear now and move it around, right? Okay, so now that I have pressed Command C to copy my selection, Command V um, to paste it and copy and paste it, and then Command T to free transform it. So now, after I've free transformed it and I have this nifty little box around it, I'm going to right click. It's going to throw out a little drop down and I'm going to flip horizontal because we don't need two ears, you know, pointing the same direction. Now, as you can see right here, I can rotate this ear a little bit, right? Okay. So yeah, I know it looks a little funky right now. Okay, just bear with me. So I'm just going to kind of place it. Okay, and then double click. So now it looks super funky, right? Yeah, I get it. I feel you. So I'm going to put over here on top of my empty layer a mask, which highlights this little white box. Now, if you guys remember from other tutorials, to manipulate this mask, we're going to use the brush tool by pressing B on our keyboard. And if your colors are not at the default black and white, you just press D. And now I'm going to press X because I want to use the black brush. And I'm going to brush away this other ear. And by sizing and unsizing my tool, so it looks a little more realistic here. Okay. Awesome. So now you can see that we're having a bit of an issue with the other ear coming in from behind. That's totally fine. This is fixable. Okay. So now I'm going to bring all my layers up by Shift Option Command and E. And now I'm going to press the S for stamp tool. And I'm going to sample from over here, pressing Option, and I'm going to keep sampling and fixing that up until I feel like it looks pretty decent. Okay, so I can kind of tell, so I'm going to keep fixing that. Okay, so now say I want to manipulate this tool here. I'm sorry, tool. This ear here, I'm going to go back to my lasso tool. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to press Command C, Command V, Command T. I'm going to right click and I'm going to do warp because it looks too similar to me to the other ear. So I want to make it like a little bigger and just look a little funkier than the other ear because no two ears are the same. That was cute. Okay, clicking there. So what happened here is it manipulated the outside of that, so I can put another mask on here, hit my brush tool, X key for black, and just kind of brush that away. Voila. Okay, so let's see my horse here and what our ear looked like before and after. Yay! Isn't that fun? Woohoo! It's like a little ear dance. Anyways, So if this helped you at all, if you had an aha moment, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you'd like to see something next week, let me know. And it was super fun creating this tutorial for you guys, and I hope it was helpful for you. So have a good day. Thanks, guys.